What's up, you guys? It's your girl BB here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So y'all, for today's video we have another wig. This wig is actually a glueless wig that was sent to me by LUVME hair. I was so skeptic, like, how can I wear a wig and not glue it down? But you guys are going to see the end results, and it's bomb. Like, I did not glue this wig down. I didn't put any got to be freeze spray, any got to be glued, anything like that. It literally fit my head, and of course you can adjust it to fit your head, but you know, it fit my head perfectly and I didn't even like adjust it or anything. So guys, the hair came with a whole bunch of little accessories, you know, the edge brush, the little hair clip that says love me, and everything came in that cute little pouch right there. So as you guys can see, my hair is only in 2 braids. I didn't bother doing like small braids, but if you want a flatter look, you should. But I just did 2 braids going back, and then I put on the stocking cap, and then this is what the hair looks like. So out the pack, it looks kind of messy, like it's all over the place. It just looks tacky, but all it needs is a little bit of touch up, and you guys are going to see me touch it up. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm doing, I'm straightening the hair just so it could be easier for me. Yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. So I'll come back once the hair has been straightened. So guys, I'm done straightening the hair, and now I'm going to take some mousse and I'm going to put it on the part and at the top just to lay down some flyaways. It had really like minimal flyaways, and the hair was not shedding a lot. It shedded like a little bit when I was straightening it, but nothing drastic or anything like that. But yeah guys, look how good it looks already, like straightened. Okay. Okay. Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're what I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? So guys, as you can see, I went and, you know, got cute or whatever. But y'all, I really thought that I had the video of me cutting the lace, but I don't. But it was pretty simple. I literally just cut it off, and then I went and put some makeup on where the part is going to be, just so it could look like, you know, more realistic or whatever, or the part could be more defined, as you can see, because this is glueless, so we have to create the illusion of like a clean part. I don't know. But yeah guys, look how bomb the hair is looking. I'm just gonna go over it with the flat iron again, because now my flat iron is hotter, and it's going to give it that sleek look. So yeah guys, and the color actually matches my skin perfectly. You guys know how skeptical I am when it comes to like bright colored hair and my skin, but this one doesn't look bad at all. Like, y'all, it's really cute. I love it. You guys should try it out. You'll love it too. So yeah guys, definitely check out LUVME hair. I will leave the link and everything in the description if you decide you wanted to go get this hair. I think the inch that I got is a 10 inch. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll leave everything in the description for you guys. Yeah guys, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, check out my Instagram at _purplerain, check out LUVME hair. And yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I